everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make Tamago Toji. I am using sugar pea, enoki, and egg and simmered. This is similar food when we make oyakodon, which is they have chicken, but this one doesn't have meat in it. And actually, it's most likely any veggies that you can use instead of sugar peas or enoki. And I will show you how to make it today. Right after, put the egg, turn the heat off, and put lid on. Leave it like that a minute or two, then it's done. I hope you enjoyed my video today, and I hope you maybe make this dish at your home. If you like my video, please thumbs up or subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers, and I am Yuri. Thanks for watching, and see you next time soon.